Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Body Herbal's Honey and Almond Soap Spa gift set, a 7-piece 100% vegan luxury hamper for women and men that's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special celebration. It includes a honey and almond bathing bar, vanilla shower gel, terry towel, natural loofah bath puff, vanilla scented candle, and 2 tea lights, all crafted with nourishing ingredients and a warm, cozy scent. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy gift. First up, the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Shipped by Pure Earth Enterprises on Amazon, it arrived in a chic brown box with a ribbon. Per Amazon, it's gift ready, and I agree, no wrapping needed. Starting with the Honey and Almond Bathing Bar, 100 grams. I used it with the loofah and it lathers beautifully. The honey and almond scent is rich and moisturizing. Per Body Herbals, it's got natural chunks and skin-friendly pH 5.5. My skin felt smooth, not stripped. Amazon reviews love its hydration. Next, the vanilla shower gel, 200 milliliters. I poured it onto the bath puff and it created a creamy foam. The vanilla scent is warm and luxurious. It cleansed without drying, leaving my skin soft. Reviewers on Amazon praise its nourishing feel. The terry towel is plush and absorbent. I used it post-bath and it felt so cozy. The natural loofah and bath puff are high quality, great for gentle exfoliation. The vanilla scented candle and 2 tea lights set a relaxing mood. I lit them during my bath and the warm glow was divine. Per web reviews, the candle scent fills the room. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS, and paraben-free, clinically tested and FDA approved per Amazon. Not cheap, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for couples or self-care. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what's next. Maybe a festive gift guide. Thanks for watching.